how to allow message request from everyone on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you allow message request from everyone on your Instagram account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Instagram with your account. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from your, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so simply from here tap on three line just at the top right corner. Alright, so from this setting and activity you'll have to scroll down and go the options like messages and story replies. So simply you have to go the option. Okay, so from the section you'll have to go the option message request. So simply tap on it. Okay, so from the section message control you'll have to go the options like others on Instagram. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from here you'll have to set these settings to message request. So as usual, after you going the options don't receive request, you'll not be able to allow message request from your Instagram account for everyone. So you'll have to go the option message request. So after you turn this, you'll be able to allow message request from everyone on your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.